Hi everyone! You guys absolutely loved the last slime makeover, so today, free wish slimes will get transformed into a fresh new slime. Some of these wish slimes have weird textures and smell really bad. Definitely can do with a makeover. So the first free wish slime to make over is the clear slime with foam beads. So this slime actually had a unicorn charm in it as well, so could definitely turn it into a unicorn slime. This slime has a really gross smell, it's also really firm, which is not a great texture to start with on a makeover. So after spraying a few pumps of vinegar and kneading the slime, it became a lot softer, which will make it a lot easier to work with. So guys, vinegar is a good ingredient for deactivating slime. Although if you use this, don't deactivate your slime too much, or it'll just be watery. Next up was to split the slime into two separate parts, which will be dyed different colors for the unicorn theme. First part will be colored pink and the second part will be purple. Then the next step will be to take out these yellow beads because they look a little odd. Now it's time to bring the unicorn slime to life. After putting the pink and purple slime next to each other like this into a container, the final step is to finish it off with some glitter around the middle and place the unicorn charm back in the center. Here it is guys, this is the before. And here is the after. Ta-da! Originally the slime looked so boring, but now this unicorn slime just looks so much better. Colors came together so well. Before, the unicorn just seemed out of place. Now it looks like it's found its home. Super happy with the makeover, but now it's time to play with it. The next slime to make over is this orange clear with cute bee charms in it and a brown metallic one. So this bee slime actually had a lot better texture than the other slimes and was pretty cute as well. Not bad for a free slime. So the idea for this slime is to turn it into a honeycomb slime. First things first, these bits of black dots and bee charms need to go so that it becomes a plain slime to work with. After splitting the metallic brown slime in half and mixing it into this orange clear, it ended up with this almost like glossy, shiny orange slime. It looked like some good honey. So after spraying a few pumps of vinegar and kneading the slime, it became a lot softer, which will make it a lot easier to work with. The next step is to cut up a sponge into smaller pieces, which will give it a honeycomb look. Sponge gives the slime a bit more of an interesting texture as well, and also as a bonus, it made it better for those satisfying popping noises. So the final step to bring the slime together is to finish off with some gold glitter and topping it off with those cute bees back again. So here it is guys, since the original slime was already quite well done for the bee theme, this makeover just made the theme even more bee-like. This slime ended up being better than before. Challenge you to try and beat it. Beat my pun guys. Oh gosh. So here's the next wish slime to make over. It's a light blue slime with sprinkles and candy charms. The slime was really tough and snapped really easily. It also had just a really acidic smell. Not too sure what ingredients they put into the slime, but definitely not a satisfying slime. But the donut is cute. The idea for this makeover is to turn it into a donut. So let's try and turn it into this donut. Hehe, too much donut words. Yep. First things first, let's get rid of all these chunky bits so that it is closer to a plain slime to work with easier. Since the slime is really firm, it'll be harder to work with, so after spraying some vinegar on top and mixing it in, the slime started to soften up, which is perfect. And already the texture of the slime is getting better because it wasn't breaking apart when being stretched. So much more satisfying to play with than before. A broken slime is like a broken heart, guys. Slime lives matter. So anyways, the next thing to fix is the color. The blue was just a little too light, so after adding more blue coloring to the slime, it started to get closer to a nicer blue color for our donut. The slime could still do with a bit more softening, but only slightly, so instead of using vinegar, use baby oil instead, which did the job and also made the slime shinier. Shine bright like a diamond. So anyways, the next step is to prepare a white slime. So to make the white slime, mix white Elmer's school glue with activator and stir it until the slime was a consistent sticky texture. Since there will be more Daiso clay mixed into the slime, it's better to keep it soft and stickier by not activating it too much. Otherwise, it will get a lot tougher than needed when it's mixed. So once the white slime is ready, then add in soft clay, and this will make the slime firmer and give it more of a buttery texture. It's time to turn it brown by mixing in brown coloring. The yellow coloring added helps to get the brown to a lighter color, more like a dough color of a donut. So as you can see, after mixing it all in, it turned out surprisingly close to a dough-like color. Didn't expect to get it on the first go. But the slime had a super buttery texture, which is perfect. After shaping this clay slime into a donut shape, making sure the edges were nice and round for the aesthetic. It's time to put the blue slime on top from earlier as the icing. After letting it slowly drip a bit, it started looking really yummy already. But to finish it off, it's time to add these sprinkles on top. Check it out, guys! This is the before of the wish slime. And here is the after. It looks so good and really tempting to eat, but no, don't eat slime, guys. So super impressed by this makeover. It actually turned out so nicely and it looks so much like the donut charm that was in the slime from earlier. What do you guys think of this makeover? So anyways, let's get squishing. Alright guys, that was making over free wish slimes. Hope you enjoyed these makeovers and maybe inspired you to transform your own slime. Which of these makeovers did you think turned out the best? Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. See you in the next one, guys. Bye! Love